What up guys? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to correctly perform a one arm shoulder press with a dumbbell. So a one arm dumbbell press is basically kind of like an overhead press, but it focuses on one shoulder at a time. So it's basically working the right side first or the left one first, and then you go to the other side. That's how you do it. Now, this is a great alternative exercise to the regular overhead press because it lets you really focus on each specific side so you see where your weaknesses are and so on. So, first get into position. Feet shoulder width apart. Grab a dumbbell, clean it up, and let it rest on your shoulder. I'm going to show you now with the other side. So, grab the dumbbell, clean it up, let it rest on your shoulder. Be straight, no arch, no leaning forward, no leaning back, no, jerking around your body. Just be straight. Then inhale, squeeze your core, and explode up all the way, extending at the top. A second pause at the top, bam, go down slowly, touch your shoulder, inhale, explode up, bam, exhale, go down, and repeat. So that's basically the one arm dumbbell press. It's not that complicated. I'm going to show you from a different angle so you can see. This is from the side, so you can see my back is straight. I'm not jerking my body back and forth, forward or back. It's straight. My core is tight. Inhaling, bam, explode up and go down slowly. You go down slowly because you're basically keeping tension on the shoulder, See? This is from the back. The one arm shoulder press is a great exercise. Like with every exercise, the form is so vitally important. Perfect form and full range of motion. So going all the way up, extending and going down, slowly touching your shoulder. But keep in mind, don't overextend on the way down because you can get injured. And also keep in mind that when you're only doing one side at a time and you're using very heavy weight, because I'm not using very heavy weight now. When you're using heavy weight, it can get pretty unstable, so just be careful with this exercise, guys. But despite all of that, it's a great exercise. I definitely recommend it. Great for isolating those, shoulders. Plus, it's not an isolation exercise. It's basically, a compound movement, but it's working one side of the shoulders at a time. So I really like this exercise. From time to time to switch it up, you switch from the normal overhead press to the one arm overhead press so you can focus. Now, like I said, perfect form is super vital here. It's basically the most important part. Before adding any weight, you should always perfect your form so you don't get injured. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe.